What is up, everyone? Nicholas Cardenas here. Today, I'm back with The Legend of Ray Hall. Hit it, Ray.
Hello guys, Legend Ray Hall here, back with a new video after a long time. Me and Nick are going to be playing Granny Chapter 2 Roblox. I don't like the first one. I like the second one a lot. I have all the endings too. It's just that this is a game on Roblox I enjoy and I want to share it with you guys. And, okay, anyway,
Yay!
I ran into Granny already.
Wait, you start. Okay, yep. I have to sack.
What's up, Granny? What's way, Blacko? I got knocked up and down. Yo, literally, I got knocked up.
Okay. Oh, I see, Grandpa. No. Back, Grandpa.
Yo,
You can't.
don't
Don't go up there. He's right there.
I mean, we still lead him into the room and see
I'm gonna risk. I'm running it. I'm running. Wait, what is this? Helicopter key! It's in the bathroom. I'm gonna check in.
I'm upstairs.
There's nothing down. Okay, you know the white plate where you kill the spider? It's out there.
Okay, there that is. I found the spider.
Let me go. Let me move this bookcase.
Okay, now we can go for the spider.
It won't let me get. I won't let me move the bookcase. This is embarrassing. Well, wire. I found the wire. Ooh.
I put in the special key.
I see Granny. Oh, I see one of the. I found picture number 3. Oh, I found gas.
Well, we don't need that yet,
I'm keeping it. Okay. But you gotta protect me. You gotta protect me.
Try not to die.
Oh, someone opened the key. Oh no, we don't have the weapon key yet.
I did that thing. We're gonna get the weapon key later, though. Lady, no. Okay, thanks. Okay. God. Full. Man, spider meat is dead.
Oh, Granny's up here. Yep, going back down.
I found picture 1 and the crowbar.
I got picture 3. Protect me.
With a crowbar?
No, I found it.
Question: how do I protect with a crowbar?
Oh, Grandpa's over there. I almost ran right into a. Oh, don't go up there. I think Granny's up there. We gotta get a weapon. Oh yeah.
Dash.
Weapon. What is this? Spark plug. Where does the spark plug go again?
The spark plug goes to the boat, but I got the stun gun out.
Where'd you get the stun gun?
I opened the box down there.
Okay, I'll come.
Just now.
Get the security key.
I'm trying to grab it.
Did you die? Okay, there's a glass fuse down here. We'll need that too. Okay, Okay, I'll remember. Okay, I'm going up. Did you kill Granny?
No,
I can't go over there then. I'm stuck. Granny's coming for me! Help me, Ray.
So what do we do?
Shoot Granny! I can't get up there because she's right there.
I'm coming down. Okay, let me put my picture frame there.
I have one of the picture frames. She's coming downstairs. I'm scared to go. I can't go up there. She's waiting. Shoot her as soon as you see her. Don't miss. If you miss, we're...
Shoot her on sight? Okay.
Girl, what are you doing? Wait, did you shoot her?
No, not yet. I haven't even got out of here. Run, dash. I don't see her no more. Oh, what's up, friends?
Shoot her.
Man, on this
Shoot her. I can't get... Oh, no, that girl's dead.
I got bang.
She's waiting for me. I can't get up there when she's up there. She's right there. If I go over there, she's gonna whack me, and I'm gonna lose. Oh,
She's dead. Okay, she's dead.
I can't tell. She's still alive.
She's dead. I just killed her.
It looked like she was alive still.
If she's not moving like that, she's dead.
Let me up. Let me up at this stupid, please.
I wanna get down.
Third piece. You don't need this. Do you have a second?
Yeah, I got a second.
I got the glass fuse.
Ryan Dash thing.
What are we supposed to do here?
The stun gun, and then
Glass fuse. Oh, somehow I got it. Gasoline.
Gas goes here. We need the helicopter key. Tape.
Got it. Wait, what do we need? We need the manual!
Yeah, and the key.
I got the key. I already put the key in.
I didn't get the tape. I know where the tape is.
Okay, we need to find the manual. Get the weapon. We gotta get. Oh, I see the wheel. Do we need gas still?
No need. If
Or-
the gas is in there, or it's green, then we're good.
We still need. Right, there's one thing. We need another thing. The helicopter manual.
Yeah, I probably know where that is, to be honest.
Get. Granny's down here. If I go down there, I'm gonna die.
Whoever's the owner of the white sedan, you left the lights on. Yeah, we already got the whole thing done. All we need to do is get the book and we can fly away. But I thought I didn't need a book. I took my flyer's education.
And actually, Ray, you failed it. I took it. You were.
But I wanted to take
Oh no, Granny's right down under. Okay, Ray, you're gonna have to.
on a helicopter.
She's coming up. She's coming up the ladder. She's literally coming up. No joke. She's
She can't go up the ladder.
She was trying to, but I'm not. Oh, she's right there. I can't
She
go.
knocked me down the stairs, and Gamer Boy just looked at me in shame. Like I'm that one Batman that they kill and they taunt on you.
Can you kill Granny, please? Kill Granny because she's right underneath us.
I don't know where she at.
She's where the security where we found the helicopter. She's in the security room.
Oh, I killed her. She left her lights on.
Okay, did you get the manual?
Yeah, you gotta get it too.
Wait, why?
So you can fly me, because I can fly it. I remember when I first opened the helicopter, I also got, one more ending, which was the door.
Can't start the helicopter yet.
Did you...
Oh, good thing I brung this.
You foolish mortal!
Yes! Finally, I got my helicopter ending.
You got the heli.
Should we? You just touched it right here. You could have been teleported to regular Granny.
I don't care. I did it. We did it.
You got new clothing, alright?
Man.
And then we go back to see how the others are doing. Go back where the others are doing. Let's see what the others are doing.
Part 2, we will do we're gonna do the voting, and then part 3 is gonna be voting.
Oh yeah, Ray, come back to spawn. Come back to the game. Ray, alright, we gotta do an outro. Come on. We gotta do a perfect outro. Come on. It has to be perfect. Come on, hurry. Alright, follow me. No, this girl's gonna ruin it. Get out of here, girl.
We gotta end the vids.
Okay, ready, go. Ready, end this. Wait, what happened?
I ended my vid.